if WhatsApp calls are not showing on the Samsung Galaxy S26, here's what you can do. So the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna open the settings. Over here in settings, we need to find apps, and then in apps, we need to find WhatsApp. So scroll down on this list and then open WhatsApp. Now in here, we're gonna go to permissions. And in this case, we should make sure that some permissions are granted for WhatsApp so that you can, of course, be the app can actually use, for example, the phone permission to receive calls. Of course, in this case, I don't have any permissions enabled, but I think one of the most important permissions are call logs, camera, contacts, and accounts. The microphone, of course, the nearby devices. It might be necessary to use that as well. Notifications, naturally, you want to allow notifications, and also in notifications, make sure that everything is enabled. And you might want to show content of the app on the lock screen. However, of course, if you don't want to really let other people see, for example, messages that you get on WhatsApp before you unlock the phone, then of course you can still hide the content. But generally speaking, lock screen notifications should be enabled. Of course, we have the phone permission. There we go, which should be enabled. It should be enabled. We also can allow to use photos and videos, and also sending messages. There we go. And besides that, what you can also do is you can go to the storage option, and in here you can clear the data. This will most likely log you out of your account. So keep that in mind. Make a backup before that happens. Actually, before you use the clear data, you might want to make a backup of all the messages so you don't lose them in the process. But you want to clear the data once you can in order to clear everything, and then just see if that helps. Also, uninstalling and then installing the app one more time might be also quite useful. You can give it a try. And that is pretty much all we can do in order to try to solve issues with the WhatsApp not displaying when you have an incoming call. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.